everyone, this is Ravneet Kandok, energy healer, life coach, and a therapist. Today, let's talk about what is meditation. So, meditation is a moment where you feel at peace, where you feel you are contented, you are satisfied, and you are thoroughly enjoying that one small moment. That is meditation. So, how do we do that? So, basically, for example, you enjoy dancing or you enjoy singing, and in all the hobbies or our talents, of course, we don't stop breathing. So, we are breathing in that, and when we are dancing and we are singing, unintentionally or intentionally, we are we are breathing and we are doing our task, which is making us feel complete, right? So when we are singing or dancing, and when we reach at that level where we feel that yes, I am enough for myself, I am perfect, I am happy, I am good, that is the moment of meditation. It's very simple, guys. Understand, what we do in meditation is that evergreen method of the evergreen technique of meditation is to sit at one place, inhale and exhale, go within and see what are the areas of our life to be healed, coming from past, from our childhood, from our past life, from our teenage, from anywhere. We basically, through closing our eyes, we focus on our unhealed areas or the painful areas, basically. So, and we heal them, of course, with them. So that is the evergreen technique of meditation, which is always the best, but nothing is less than anything. So let's understand, when we are doing our hobby or our talent, we are showing our talent, we are automatically at a place when we feel we are contented. Yes, I'm good at it. And when we start performing it, like for example, you're singing or you're dancing or you're playing a musical instrument or you're making a project on computer, anything which makes you feel contented, and when you reach at that point while making your project or making your stuff, you feel, by cooking a food, when you feel yes, I've done it, I am good at it, I am enough for myself, that is the point of meditation. That is one point of meditation where we need to reach. So for that, it's not necessarily you have to sit at one place and do meditation. You can do it through your hobbies, through your way of entertaining yourself, and go with it throughout the day, not at just early in the morning, but yes, throughout the day you can be in meditating state. And try this for sure. This is very powerful, very brilliant, and we'll go with it for very long. It's not a temporary thing. We can do this any time of the day for the lifetime, because we don't leave our hobbies even if we are at whatever age. So go with it, have fun with it, sing, dance, do drama, do mimic anyone, whatever makes you feel happy, wherever you feel yes, you are enough, you are perfect, you are thankful, when you are in gratitude towards yourself and to God. That is the place, that is the point when you are meditating. So go ahead with this meditating point technique and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.